Anumla Kaula. Welcome back to Dagbani 101. And today we are going to continue with our greetings lessons. And today we are going to learn about how to say goodbye in Dagbani. In Dagbani, most of our farewell greetings are in the form of prayers. So when someone is going out, maybe your dad is going to work or your mom is going to the market, you say Naawuni labisina. Naawuni labisina. That is, may God bring you back. And when you have a visitor or a friend comes to visit you and your friend is going back home, you say Naawuni adu. Naawuni adu. May God take you home safely. May God take you home safely. And also, when you are traveling, when someone is traveling and he or she is going to use a car or a train or a flight, you say Naawuni shegana alafi. Naawuni shegani alafi. That is, may God alight you safely. May God alight you safely. If it's in the evening or it's night time and the person is going back home, you say Naawuni nitibiao. That is good night in Dagbani. Naawuni nitibiao. May God give us tomorrow. Naawuni nitibiao. Or maybe someone calls you and in the evening, or when someone calls you around night time and you want to hang up, you say Naawuni nitibiao. May God give us tomorrow. That is good night in Dagbani. So these are the farewell greetings we have in Dagbani. We have Naawuni labisina. That is, may God bring you back home when someone is going to work or someone in the household is going to work or going outside to come back. Naawuni labisina. May God bring you back. When someone visits you and the person is going back home to his or her residence, you say Naawuni adu. Naawuni adu. That is, may God send you back home safely. And when someone is traveling and is going to use a means of transport, any means of transport, you say Naawuni shegana alafi. Naawuni shegani alafi. That is, may God alight you safely. May God alight you safely. And the last one is how to say good night. That is Naawuni nitibiao. Naawuni nitibiao. May God give us tomorrow. I hope you've learned something new. If you know any forms of farewell greetings in Dagbani, you can share with us in the comment section. Thank you for watching.